enterprise structure. So let me log in my SAP system. I will explain you along with that what is enterprise structure, all those things.
Yeah.
Normally, we are going to start the enterprise structure. So what is enterprise structure? Enterprise structure means normally we are going to define the organizational hierarchy structure for the company. Okay, what are the hierarchy structure required as per the company? Okay, what will be the company code? What will be the plant, storage location, purchasing organization? All those things we are going to define it right now. After defining it, we are going to assign it with each and other parameters. So normally, this is the enterprise structure. Enterprise structure means we are going to define the organizational hierarchy structure for the company. So first of all, we will go to this transaction code called SPRO. Okay, SPRO, press enter. Then click SAP reference ING. Okay, after this, then directly come to this enterprise structure. Then come to definition. Okay, come to definition. Under this definition, so many things are available called financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, sales and distribution, materials management, logistic execution, plant maintenance, human resource management. So in this case, what happened when you are coming to this real-time activities, whatever it may be, the implementation part, project or support project, this particular financial accounting FICO consultant will configure this area. Logistic general, MM consultant will or SD consultant will configure this area. Sales and distribution, specific to SD, sales and distribution consultant will configure this area. Materials management consultant will configure this area. Logistic execution is a sub-module of sales and distribution. Those consultant will complete this configuration this area. Plant maintenance also is a module, PM module in SAP. Those module consultant will complete this area. As a human capital management, right now we are telling as a HR, human resource management, HR consultant will complete this area. But as a practice proposed in the test system, because already SAP is an integrated software, so it's required to implement some financial controlling and financial accounting and controlling parameters. For practice purpose, we have to do it because system will not allow to create the master data to run the transaction data without entering the financial accounting company code or company or controlling area, whatever it may be. Or some SD sales and distributions, this is the integration software. When we are going to run the stock transfer order process, it's required to implement sales and distribution parameter. When we are going to run the third party process, it's required to implement the along with sales and distribution, along with logistic execution. So this is the things we have to implement all those parameters. So right now we are going to implement only FICO means like accounting hierarchy area and MM organizational structure. Okay, so just click over here, then click define company. So go to new entries. So normally, what is company? Is the company ID. Why we are creating a company ID? When we are going to register, suppose you have created a company in your own company, and you are going to register the company. In that company, you will get a when you are going for the registration in the government portal. Okay, you will get the ID of the company. That ID you are going to enter over here. For an example, like a cognizant. For example, this is your ID, and what is your company name? Cognizant. So for an example, what is the name of the company 2? Name of the company 2 means after some years, if your company name is going to be changed, then you can enter the name of the company 2 over here. Okay. Second thing, which particular street this belongs to? For an example, orange. Okay. PO box 0000. Postal code or PO box, either or option you can enter over there. Unable to triple zero, also you can mention over here. City, Sydney. Okay, language key. You can choose from this drop down help. This is called search help. You can choose from your language list. You can find the English language, how to find it. You can select this called find option. and type English over here. English. Press enter. Sorry, I think spelling is mistake. This is not there. But okay, just type en only. English. Find it. ER. Hold 1 second. Let me check it.
No, I think you country. So country is not there.
I think let me check. AU. Australia. Okay, this is a country I'm finding over here. Na? Sorry. Country. Okay, language key is English over here. Na? Language key. Language key you can find over here. English. ENGL. This EN got it. With this functionality called search help or drop down, you can help. What is the currency of Australia? Australia currencies AUD or AUD4. Two types of currency we have, right? As you can find is AUD, Australian dollar, AUD4, AUD5. Different currency we have. We are going to use this AUD, Australian dollar. Okay, just after entering this all, press enter, then click save. With the help of Control plus S also you can make a save. Also directly you can click this icon called as save. So this option will get used for customizing request right now, but we will discuss later on this customizing request functionality. Just when you will get this option, just click this icon called create request and enter your shortcuts. For an example, Joshi underscore SAP underscore MM underscore config. Okay, just make it save. You will get automatically transport number, request number will get generated. Click continue. It will get saved. Right now you can observe this message. The data was saved. We have created a company called COG800. So we are going to make a save in our text document. Company. Okay. So it will help to us remind what we have created the company, what all those things parameters we have created. So come back. After coming back, just under this financial accounting defined company we have created.